Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Han Phan. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the C++ modern smart pointers. Unique pointer ensure that at most one unique pointer pointing at any one resource. Unique pointer is not copyable but movable. Unique pointer is deleted and it is not empty, then it will automatically destroy the object it is pointing to. The set pointer allows multiple pointers to point at a given resource. If the last set pointer to a resource is destroyed, the resource will be deallocated. Both set pointer and unique pointer are designed to be passed by value. Weak pointer is notified when an object is no longer alive. This is an example of a unique pointer. You need to use the make unique to create this pointer. It cannot be copied, but it can be moved. For a set pointer, you need to use the make set to create this pointer. The set pointer will keep track of the references count pointing to this object. You can copy the set pointer and it will increase the reference count as well. The set pointer is free automatically once the scope finishes. When there's no longer any references pointing to an object, the weak pointer will be notified of this event. That's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.